subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you never miss an update.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. So you guys might have read the title and you can see me as well. So yes, today I have done a very easy Halloween look, guys. This is the first time I have done a Halloween look and I was really happy and excited and nervous because I wasn't sure how it would turn out, but this turned out pretty well, like better than I expected. To tell you guys a bit about Halloween, Halloween is a festival which is mainly celebrated in Western countries on 31st of October. So hundreds and hundreds years ago, Halloween was celebrated as a Samhain festival wherein people used to dress up as ghosts to ward off the evil spirits which was sensed to be there. And they had this bonfire and fun games to play around during this 3-day festival time. Overall, Halloween sounds like a super fun festival, guys, wherein you get to experiment with your makeup and get some amazing dramatic looks like this. I've taken my inspiration from a European blogger. She has an amazing account, guys. I'm going to link her Instagram in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. I've created this beautiful smoky eyes. I've used 3 colors in the smoky eyes, and I've created this spider web, and I've also created a small creepy spider out here, and I've gone with black lips today. I'm really excited to show you how I created this look. I'm going to mention each and every product I have used in this particular look in the description, so don't forget to check it out. I think that is it, guys. So without any further chit chat, let's get into the video. So let's start with the makeup. So the very first step is to prep the skin with the primer, NELF primer. My primer is set. The next step is to apply a concealer. So I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer. So I'm done with the concealer. So the next step is to for a foundation. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm done with the foundation. The next step is to set my foundation with a powder. So I'm going to use my Maybelline powder. I've done applying the compact powder. So the next step is to buy eyebrows. So for eyebrows, as usual, I'm going to use my favorite eyebrow kit. That's the Wet n Wild Ultimate Eyebrow Kit. I'm done with the eyebrows. So the next is to do eyeshadow. So this is a very dramatic eye look which I'm going to do. So let's start. So I'm going to do a kind of a smoky eye, a red smoky eye. So for that I need a cream base. So guys, if you not watched my smoky eye look, I'll be linking here for y'all to see the smoky eye which I created. I'm going to use my Maybelline Sensational Matte lipstick. It is in the shade Rich Ruby. It's a beautiful red shade, as y'all can see. Yes, so I'm going to literally take this particular product all over the eyelid. Don't worry, this did not be perfect because anyway we are going to smudge it all over, so it's okay. I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush and I'm going to just smudge it all over. I'm also going to take the same product below my eyes. I'm just going to smudge it. The next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Miss Claire. It's a single eyeshadow red shade. So I'm going to show you the shade. So this is a very reddish maroonish shade. So I'm going to take some product on my same eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to place it all over the lid and everywhere basically. That's it. So we are going to take the same eyeshadow brush and we are going to take a black eyeshadow, a pitch black eyeshadow. So I'm going to take my Savannah colors, this shade, take some color, and I'm going to apply it below my waterline. My Nicka K9 shadow palette. It's an eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to take this beautiful pink shade, this one, a little bit on the same eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to just place it at the edges. Just look. The next step is to do an eyeliner. So I'm going to use my absolute favorite Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner. So I'm going to draw a normal wing line. The next step is to use a mascara. Today I want really dramatic lashes. So I'm going to use my two-step mascara from Wet n Wild. It's a beautiful mascara. So what we need to do is we need to have one coat of this mascara and there are some lash fibers inside this. Once you're done with this second step, you can again coat your lashes with this third step. This really gives the lashes a very dramatic look. So I'm just going to do it. So these are my lashes. The next step is to apply a kajal. So I'm going to use my Maybelline kajal and I'm going to apply it on my waterline as well as on my tight line. So I'm done with this eye. So I'm going to do the same with my this eye. So please wait. Done with both the eyes, as you all can see. So the next step is to draw the spider web. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to use my drawing tool, that is my painting brush, for some precision. Actually the eyeliner wand is also fine, but I'm going to use my painting brush today. So let's see how it goes. Here's my spider web, guys. It's a little bit imperfect, but I think that's okay. So next I'm going to draw a small spider here. So let's do it. I've drawn a very small spider. So let's go with the lips. So I'm going to have black lips today. So I do not have a black lipstick, so I'm going to apply kajal on my lips. But before applying kajal, I'm going to apply a little bit of lip balm so that the kajal glides really smoothly. So yeah. Next I'm going to apply a highlighter. So I'm going to use my sugar highlighter. I'm going to make my lips a bit shiny, so I'm going to apply some gloss over it. Last but not the least, I'm going to set the makeup with my setting spray. So I'm going to use my NYX setting spray. Was it scary enough? That is it for today, guys. I hope you like this look, and if you like this look, please please like the look, please share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.